Hello everyone, so today I want to show you how to use some if and some else like this. In here, I want to total score, but I want to total score for the female only. So if that we use some if just one criteria like this, equal sign, some if, and ring. What you want to do in here? We want to sum the female only. So in rank here, we need to select on 6 column. And then, comma, the criteria. What you want to sum? We want to sum female. And then in criteria, we have to select on the female. Comma. Sum rank. We want to sum the total. But the total we sum only for the female. So sum rank we select on total score. And close bracket, enter, like this. One more, I want to sum the total score for male. So equal sign, sum if, rank, what you want to do, we want to sum the male, and so we have to select on this column. And comma, criteria, what you want to do, we want to sum male. And comma, what we want to sum, we sum the total for the male only. Select and then you close bracket and enter. And you see, it's important if we sum male and female, and we will see, yeah, 3,042. And if we want to make sure if we total all is correct or not, sorry, yeah, we just use the sum and then select all and close bracket, enter. So the result is the same in here. How about some ifs with s? We use some if with s. So some if s, we use it for many criteria. Yes, it is plural criteria. Yes, multiple criteria. Example, I want to sum the total score for the female. What the female from PP? Yeah, from PP. It is the shortcut place of birth. So we use sum if s. Equal sign sum if s. In here we have to select the sum rank first. It's different from the first one. So sum rank, what you want to sum? We want to sum the total score. Okay, so we select on the total score and then you click on comma. You see criteria rank 1, the criteria 1. We want to sum male, total score for male. Okay, we select on here. And comma, and then select on male. Comma, the criteria rank 2. The female from PP. So criteria rank 2, you have to select on place of birth. And then comma, and what you want. You select all, but we need the criteria 2 from PP, female but from PP. And then close the bracket and enter. You see? We can do manual. I will show you the manual if it's correct or not. I use sum and then female here from PP. So I select and then I control, hold on the control and I find the female, then hold on the control and we find the female from PP. In here, no, female but not from PP. This PP from PP but male is not, and female here. Yes, so I have to select and I still hold the control on. I find the female from PP, the last one. So we have 3 female from PP and then enter. You see, this is the same total. Yeah. Thank you for watching and please have to subscribe my channel for new video update. Thank you.